So hello guys, today I will show you how to download and install VMware Workstation. So let's get started. Open your browser, type here VMware Workstation download. Click on the first link. I will also post this link in the description. Go down and here you can see Workstation 16 Pro for Windows. Click download now. Then you have to just download the file. I will not download now because I have already downloaded here to save the time. So after downloading, close your browser. I have downloaded my file on the desktop. So here you can see the setup file. So let's get started for the installation. So open the setup. So first click next, then accept the terms and conditions. Click next. Check this box and click next. Again click next. So here you can modify as per your need. I want both. So again click next. And lastly press install. So here you can see the installation has started. It will take the few minutes for the installation. So guys, the installation has finished. Click here finish to end the setup. And you need to restart your machine before starting the VMware. So you have to restart the machine. For now I will not restart. Skip this step. So here you can see the workstation has been installed. Thank you guys.